Imagine the very first miracle atheists claim happened by chance. Amino acid, the building blocks of life, appearing on Earth under the most perfect conditions, combining into the first self-replicating protein. But how likely was this miracle? Let's break it down with the numbers given by Sayyid Ahmed Al-Hassan. Scientists esteem that even under ideal conditions, Earth could produce 1 attempt per second to form a self-replicating protein for 1 billion years. How many attempts is that? 31 quintillion, 449 quadrillion, 600 trillion. So that's 3.1 multiplied by 1019. Huge number, right? But here's the shock. The number of attempts required for this miracle to happen by chance is 31 quintillion, 449 quadrillion, 600 trillion. In simple words, a number so big that all the attempts that Earth could make in 1 billion years don't even scratch 0.0000001% of what's needed. Let's calculate the time required if Earth tried non-stop. 1 attempt per second. For the number of waiting attempts required, the waiting time becomes 1068 years. That is more than 1034 times older than the Earth. Much older than the entire universe, a number with 68 zeros. That is not improbable. That is mathematically impossible. Let's try another approach. If we divide the huge required number by the number of possible attempts in billion years, that's 10 septillion attempts every second for 1 billion years, just to create 1 self-replicating protein by complete accident. This is the level of chance we're talking about. But there's a bigger twist. Amino acid come in 2 types, left-handed and right-handed. Life requires only left-handed, because right-handed amino acid breaks the structure of protein. If even 1 right-handed amino acid slips in, then the protein becomes useless. So the amino acid should form in a correct order, form in the correct chain length, and all must be the same orientation. This reduces the probability by another factor of 2. Again and again for every amino acid. The chance becomes so tiny that mathematically it becomes 0. So when people claim that life became by accident, remember the numbers. Ahmed Al-Hassan exposes the truth with simple logic. The required attempts succeed at the age of the universe. The probability collapses to 0. And the miracle of randomness, impossibility. Life didn't begin as an accident. Life began with intention, with design, with a creator.